So in this video, muchachos, we're going to be learning about our shoe verbs, also known as our stem-changing verbs. Remember that anything that happens inside the shoe is where the change is, aka the smell. So today, we are going to be going over O to UE change. And our first verb is the verb contar, which means to count. So normally, what do? We would just take off our AR and we would have conto, because yo gets O. But there is no such thing, is there? We have to do the change. So what's going to happen is the O changes to UE and it becomes cuento, because yo gets O. The endings are still the same. Again, we have C-U-E because there's no more O, N-T-A-S, because tú gets A-S. Usted and ella, C-U-E-N, has a change, cuenta, and these are always the same. Cuenta, cuenta, cuenta. Now, when we are on our lace, there is no smell, and the lace is the longest words, nosotros and vosotros. It does not need to change, because it would sound weird if we put the UE and we say cuentamos. It is just leave it alone, take off the AR, and nosotros becomes contamos, and vosotros becomes contáis. It's normal. Now we go back into our shoe with the stinky smell, and the O becomes a UE, and add our AN for ustedes, ellos, and ellas. Let's try another verb. The verb poder means to be able to. For example, I am able to teach. Or in English we say can, but you can't say to can do something. The true verb is called to be able. So what happens first? We are in our shoe, so that O has to become a UE. And then yo gets O, change the O to UE, and then tú gets ES because it's an ER verb. Usted and ella are the same thing. O becomes UE, and they get E. Puede, puede, and puede. Now we go back to our lace. Remember, there's no smell on the lace, so it stays the same. Podemos. That O is normal, and then podéis. Now we go back to our shoe where the smell goes, so that the O becomes a UE, and then we add our endings. Puede, pueden, and pueden. Let's try one more, the verb to sleep, dormir. So we have our stinky smell, and the O becomes a UE. So, duermo, duermes, duerme, and these are always the same. We are on our laces, it does not change. So, keep the O, dormimos, dormís, back into our shoe with the smell, O becomes UE, duermen. Remember, the O must change to a UE when it's inside the shoe, and that the ones on the lace, nosotros and vosotros, do not change.